everyone. I am Charmaine Kamuyan and I am here to talk about the mother tongue-based multilingual education. So first, I have here our learning objectives, which is first, explain the importance of multilingual education in responding cultural diversity, and the second one is appreciate the value of using one's mother tongue in classroom. And lastly, to recognize the value of multilingual education in promoting cultural diversity. So let us first know what is mother tongue. So mother tongue-based multilingual education is the way to go to if the Philippines wants to address the problems of its educational system. High functional illiteracy, low learning outcomes, and high dropout rates. Of improvement. This also supports mother tongue instruction as a means of improving educational quality as well as saving the world's many endangered languages. Here in Philippines, we are well known of using our mother tongue in the different aspects. Just like now, I am using English, but this is not my mother tongue. And later, I will switch to another language for you to be able to understand, which is I am switching in my mother tongue, which is the Tagalog. If kulang ako na nakasagot ako, then I will use my language or the Tagalog for you to be able to comprehend what I am talking about here in front. Am I understood? So, mother tongue here in Philippines, it is commonly used because in grades in grade 1 to 8, it is used as our medium of instruction for the younger children. Kaya it is for them also to be able to comprehend what the teacher is talking to. Just like, si may naka-answer ng mga mojo ng iso mga bangon. Di ba daw, kumain daw may mga mother tongue na sa una wala na managihan. And we are now something na malibago kita kay nag-use na sila ng mother tongue while kita sa una English. Di ba yan ang ma-absent daw na yung
Yes.
So let us now proceed of what is language. Language is the foundation of every culture. Di ba, pili ka sa kanila ng so ang atong mother tongue is Katilangon. So it is our language. And many people, if we are socializing with others, they tend to recognize us as Katilangon. Di ba, pag bukado nagtandang lahisa na nila language, and sa ato sa lahisa, so maliderin natin ko sa maliin kita. Di ba? Because it is where we belong and kain ka ng place na kuan. E makita dahil nung sa atong dialect. I mean language. So, it is also an abstract system of word meaning and symbols for all aspects of culture. It is a written characters, numerals, symbols, gestures, and expression of non-verbal communication. So, according to Summerworth hypothesis, language does not more than simply describe reality. It also serves to shape the reality of a culture. Because our language is also our culture. It is where everything has started. To be able to flourish the classroom for them to not be able to get shy, di ba? If a teacher says, use English as a medium of instruction, di ba manhilong tatanan? Relate ka mo, di ba? So, you need to support the use of mother tongue inside the classroom because it is also for the interaction and for the encouragement of students to talk and to express their ideas in a way that they wanted. Like, just like the use of mother tongue. Di ba wala kita isa na, pwede magbinisaya, pero kailangan daw sa pagsato. Pwede magbinisaya, hindi din nato kaya express ang ato ideas in English in a straight way. Di ba kayo mag-unang mag-stop kita na, the Peter nato. And, of course, with the help of the mother tongue, it promotes the students, it encourages the students to not just sit down, but also express who they are. Like, they are not, hindi sila mag-stop dito lang. Kaya nila i-express ang ilang kaugalingon in a way where they speak their mother tongue. And it is also to proudly present the culture you have studied. Am I understood? Yes. Any questions? Okay. So, Miss Dandan will explain furthermore for the mother tongue, and that will be all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. So I'll be discussing the continuation about mother tongue-based multilingual education. What is mother tongue? So it refers to a person's native language, the language learned by a child and passed down from one generation to another. So in simple words, mother tongue is the language you learn first as a child, the one you speak at home with your family, and it is passed down through generations. What is mother tongue-based multilingual education? So it typically refers to first language first education, that is schooling which begins with the mother tongue and transition to additional languages. So it is use of more than two languages for literacy and instruction. It starts from where the learners are and from what they already know. This means learning to read, write using the first language and also teaching subjects like math and science using mother tongue. So mother tongue-based multilingual education, it means using more than two languages for learning, stating with what the child already knows, so they learn to read and write in their mother tongue. So why mother tongue-based multilingual education is important?
everyone.